everyone, today I've got these Mildliner pens by Zebra. They're a brush pen and a marker pen. So they have a brush tip and a bullet tip. So they're double-ended. There's 15 in this pack and they're all in nice rainbow pastel colours. So they have a mild and translucent colour. They don't bleed through most surfaces, so I would suggest testing it out first before you go ruining what's on the other side of your page. And if you find that they do bleed through, just put a sheet of paper behind so they don't go on to the next page. They're available in 25 colours in a variety of palettes, but there's 15 colours in this set. And it said somewhere that they are water resistant, so they're not waterproof, but they're water resistant. So let's test the colours. I think that these will be good for colouring if you like colouring. They'll also be good for journaling and bullet journals, adding a bit of colour to your journaling if you like doing that. So they're double-ended, and the end with the clear cap is the brush tip. And then at the other end is the fine tip. So now I'm going to test all the colours and all the tips, see how they turn out. Okay, so there are all the colours that I have tested. Now this one, some of them are quite neon, like that peachy colour, peachy yellow is quite neon, and this is a fairly neon yellow, so you could use them for highlighters as well. However, this yellow, when I opened it, and these are brand new, I haven't used them before, has a, can you see that, a little tip of black on the end, so that resulted in this mucky kind of neon yellow colour, which gets better as you go with it, but for a brand new pen of all the colours, that's probably the worst colour. I don't know how they've managed to get a bit of black on the tip, but they have. The other side was fine, so it seems to be okay now that I've scribbled it a little bit, even though the tip is still black. The other side was fine. There weren't any black ink on that side. That was okay. But unfortunately, that might be something that's still going to give a little bit of black at the first time that I use it, every time maybe, until that wears off. But apart from that, all the other colours are fine. So nice pastel colours there, nice for highlighting things, adding a little bit of colour to your journaling, or doing a little bit of colouring. So on the back of the paper, let's see if it's gone through. No, that's fine. It's quite thin paper, this as well, but it hasn't bled through to the other side, so it hasn't ruined. If anything was on the other side, it should be okay, but as I say, do test it before you start using it in your book. So thank you for watching, and I will see you all next time.